So Haley was asking, what does it do differently for the curl pattern? What it's going to do is going to prevent those splits in the hair. So remember how I said, say if you get someone and they're wearing their hair, you roller set them, you wet set them, and you got it in structured rows. When you go to style the hair, the split is just gonna be in those rows. When you have it bricklay, then it prevents those splits. So you still may see a little split here and there, but it's easier to camouflage it because it's bricklay. Does that make sense? So get used to bricklaying, because like I said, when you do curls with a curling iron, rolling with rollers, wrapping with the rods, with braids. Remember when we did the 2-strand twist and I was like, do the box braids, but do the box twist, but do your partings in windows, in bricklays, so you just don't have a row of braids coming down. So it's the same thing. So if the wind blows, you're not just seeing scalp. Does that make sense? All right, so how do we know how much hair goes on the rod? We were talking about it yesterday, huh? Diameter of the what?
Rod.
Of the rod, right? So I'm gonna measure by the diameter of the rod. That tells me the amount of hair, how much hair I can put on the rod. What if I put too much hair? What happens? No, it may
It's
not
not
fall
gonna
off on the
curl
side.
as
If
well.
I put enough, if I did my parts with the right length, right, but so
It's not gonna like
necessarily that it's
evenly
gonna fall
curl
off the
it.
sides. The amount of hair, like the width of hair,
It's not gonna evenly curl it.
it's not gonna evenly curl it. Why?
Not all the solution
All the solution won't.
part get tighter versus looser
Hmm.
on the rod.
So the curl might be uneven, plus the saturation of the product may not get through enough to get you an even curl, right? You got too much hair wrapped around there, and when you go to do the perm, we're gonna put solution on it. It may not saturate through all those layers of hair because you got too much hair on the rod. If you put too little bit of hair on the rod, what's gonna happen?
It's gonna over
Hmm?
It's gonna over like process saturate.
Well, you may be wasting product, right? Because you said oversaturated, but you're gonna be wasting product because you only had a little bit of hair on the rod, and also too, the head is gonna crowd because you got just a little bit of hair on that rod, and you got so many rods at that point on the head. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right. So we did what type of base setting yesterday?
On base.
On base. So how do I wrap for the hair to be, for the rod to be on base? What should I be doing to the hair?
Holding it out of
The section. What should I be doing to the section?
Like pulling
Huh.
it a little bit forward.
At what degree? I know I brought a rock up. Hmm?
45.
At about a 45 away, okay? So that when you wrap the hair to you coming back, remember body roll? So you wrap the hair in the body roll coming back, the rod should sit on the base. What is the base?